Hi Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 29th of October. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, my apologies, and tarot reader. Taurus, this is your channel song, and I might be upset about this song, but it's not me, it's Shaggy. If you take this thing too serious, we will really need some church. Jesus fucking Christ. Sorry, hear it. Them things said, true them go at church, them sins no need forgiving. Forgiving. Them really gone from bad to worse with them ya careless living. Shaggy. Me a girl want go church for how long, rather sleep through the morning. I put on a slam, but my man in my pressure me for go confession. So me decide to go and kill the conversation. So me go sit down right beside Sister Pam, who a tell me everything about the congregation, about Sister Paulette and her gay husband and how she still asleep with the minibus man. Sister Gwen says she a Christian, but her last night them catch her on a stone love session. She a do the dirty dance to the Mataran song, and I say she get the things them from Baby Sham. Things say, true them go at church, them sins no need forgiving. Forgiving. Them really gone from bad to worse with them, yes. This is what we say. This is what I always hear people say, Taurus, when I want to go church, because church coming like it too mix up. It mix up like college and school. So I'm getting them things that true, them go church, them sins no need forgiving. Meanwhile, in the church congregation, my sister Pam is talking about her gay husband. Sister Rodney is sleeping with the minibus man. Jesus, is she sleeping with the TTC driver? What the fuck is happening, right? Some of them is going to fucking parties and then back party shaking your ass on Saturday and back in church on Sunday to get some blessings that your ass will shake the next Friday. So Taurus, the Hierophant, nobody can holier than you. I feel like you make holy people feel sinful, right? Because you might not go to church, but you're morally correct. That's the Hierophant. So I'm getting Taurus, them can try to make you a demon. That is fine. Them things that true, them go to church, them sins no need forgiving. Anyways, let us go into a reading the church will not give you. We're going into your past life. So Taurus is your past life tarot reading. We're going to see who you were in the past life, what were you doing, and what did you do wrong? What did you do wrong? You could have been anything. You became this in this life. Oh my God, let's go. So let me see, who were you, Taurus? Who were you? We have the Fool card. I'm getting you were a buffalo soldier. No dreadlocks. I'm getting you were a nomad. I'm getting you used to roam, you used to camp up in the hill. You might have a dog where you walk with, but I'm getting people that see you as a homeless man. You were a homeless person, basically, in another life. Taurus, you were a nomad. You never had a home, you never had family, you never had friends. Only a pet. Might have been a dog to guide you. I'm getting you used to wander the world, or maybe you were a pilgrimage. You didn't do a pilgrimage, or I'm getting you just wouldn't take help. Maybe I got through like Buddha's pilgrimage where him refused to have money. He would have just met the villagers of the community, feed him and give him stuff. He wanted to spend his own riches. Remember the story of Buddha? Buddha was a prince up in a, correct me if I'm wrong. Buddha was a prince and he did always live the best life, have the best clothes, everything. And one time him said he want to take a walk outside. And when he took a walk outside, him see bare impoverished things. He must see suffering. And him say, how them people out here suffer all my life. I'm locked up in here so with all my family riches. And why we not share? He didn't understand that. So Buddha decided he wanted to find the cause of suffering. So him decided to walk a pilgrimage. Him not take the food. The people must say, Buddha, you cannot do this. You're going to die. They'll kill you like, excuse me, they'll kill you like how they killed Jesus Christ. You need to get the fuck back inside, right? The fuck you doing on the pilgrimage? So him decided to take refuge underneath one tree. And I think his mother or servants used to come to him and give him water because he decided to meditate under a tree and he would not leave until he found the cause of suffering. So apparently, I guess the cause of suffering was, out of many, it was attachments. Your attachment to anything in this life will cause you to suffer. Once you know how to detach, you will not suffer. Detach from decision making, detach from a certain outcome, detach from your own emotions. That's what Buddha was saying. Jesus was telling you to share with the fucking people and they fucking killed him. So beginning, that's who you were. What did you do though? The Justice card, me getting you go around and you solve people problem. Maybe you were a mediator. You walk from village to village and you just solve people problem. Now the Fool card is also the jokester. So I'm getting you used to perform for elite, the royals, they used to perform for them as well. What challenges did you face, Leo? The Justice card. Maybe growing up. The Fool card is Aries. I'm getting what happened in your later on life, in your past life. I'm getting you did end up learn a lot. Maybe it end up work for the same people that you were entertaining. I'm getting your challenges was this fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius man. Not exactly sure what this man used to do to you, Leo, but I'm getting that's what your challenges came from. Could be an older brother, or it could be you decide to go walk the pilgrimage you were supposed to take over the throne. I'm getting when you get called for come back, come take over the throne, because that's not what you wanted. You were already an older man. How did you die, Leo? The 8 of Cups. You died from liver poisoning. You drank yourself to death. I keep saying Leo, I meant Taurus. Taurus, you died from liver poisoning. Or you drink, you were poisoned. You were either poisoned because the 8 of Cups is neglect. So you're poisoned. Maybe then poison you for the throne. Or maybe your brother did. Your brother poisoned you for the throne. Because we're getting your brother look royal, but you were, yeah, see? Your brother look royal. Your brother may have been a Leo in a past life, but we're getting you might have been poisoned for the throne, or you were drunk off and distracted. What lessons do you learn, Leo? The 10 of Pentacles. You learn that even family will kill you for the throne. We're getting you learn that your blood. Maybe what you're going to learn in this life is, if you ever have no job, relationship, you cannot make your family influence you too much. Because the last past life, them kill you for money. Them kill you for inheritance, them kill you for the throne. So blood thicker than water, or you need to learn that just because your family, it don't mean them can't be evil or greedy. And how have you been influenced? The Knight of Swords. You learn to stand up for yourself more. I'm getting you even turn a better fighter in this life, Taurus. Or I'm getting no, you never mix business and money. Business, money, and family. Because I'm getting what happened to you in your past life. So Taurus, this could also be because you weren't religious, you were a nomad. Everybody was wearing a suit in the office, on the throne. You would never want to do that. You want to dress in a terrible clothes. You never care. You want to walk the land, eat off of the land. People probably think you're mad, but the power went to you. They killed you for it. So you learn in this life, maybe in this life your family wants to set you up for life insurance. One night stand and I've sold my soul. We also have handler. Spirit attach. Can we just talk? And we have to go outside. I'm going to leave it here, Taurus, until next time. Bye.